Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how we can connect Xiaomi AirDots to AirPods. So at the first we have to open charging case of our earbuds and take a look on the indicators. In my case they are not blinking. If you have blinking indicators, you have to just go straight to the Bluetooth settings and pair them. But I have to move them into the pairing mode, and I can do it by clicking and holding both buttons like that. And take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking on the red, you have to release. Right now they are in the pairing mode, so we have to move to the Bluetooth settings on our Note. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Find Redmi AirDots 2 on the list, click on them once, and accept pair by tapping on the right bottom corner. As you can see, after a few moments we are connected. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.